There are people who are way stupider than you, but are making way more money than you. And they're doing it all online without even putting in that much effort. And honestly, I'm probably one of them. I made $6,000 last month, all as an online side hustle. My main hustle? Well, I'm a student at Cornell University. So today I've compiled 3 strategies that are stupid but effective at making money online. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but if you do this right, you can make enough to replace a full-time middle-class income and do way less work than a 9-to-5 job. So let's get straight into it. The first method is called the TikTok Creativity Beta Program. This is a program with TikTok that pays you for the amount of views you get. And it's actually quite generous. You make around $1 per 1,000 views. This means that if you just have one video that hits 1 million views, you'll make around $1,000. Now, I've made around 15 grand lifetime from the creativity program, but I've done it all legitimately. I've worked really hard on making the posts, editing them, uploading them, etc. So I'm not saying that you should do that, because that is work. But there are other methods that you can do with the creativity program that will still make you a lot of money and are a lot easier than making every single video that you upload. So the first method is to repost other people's videos in compilations. This guy, for example, doesn't even post his own videos, he just reposts videos that he finds on YouTube as his own. Or he'll compile other videos that he sees and repost it, and he gets millions upon millions of views. He literally just finds cute animal content online and reposts it on TikTok, and as long as he adds a caption and other things that make it seem transformative, then he can still get paid for all of the views that he's getting. I do a deep dive on how he makes over 10K a month by reposting these people's videos, and I'll leave that in the first link in the description. But you can do the exact same thing. Just find a niche that you're interested in, start clipping videos and compiling them, and then just post them to TikTok with unique captions and sounds and start growing your account. Once you hit 10K followers, you'll be eligible to get paid, and you can make a decent amount of money doing this, and this is really easy. The second method is clipping videos from podcasters and streamers and adding GTA footage at the bottom. So an example might look something like this. Once again, these videos really don't take that much work. You can just watch a stream that you were gonna watch anyway and just clip the funniest moments and then post them, and as long as you have that GTA footage, you can still get paid for the footage that you're uploading. Once again, do this till you hit 10K followers and you can make a decent amount of money from this. And the last one that you can do that's also very easy is reaction videos. This is a good idea because you can pick out videos that are already very viral and then just add your face to it, which isn't that much effort, and the video is still likely to go viral again since it's already a viral piece of content. And an example I found of this on TikTok was this guy who literally doesn't even put new reactions to the video. He actually pre-recorded a bunch of different reactions and then just posts videos. So he doesn't even authentically react to any of the videos. Yet, because he has a reaction clip, it's technically transformative and he can still get paid for it. Now, once again, the creativity does have a sort of threshold. You need 10K followers, your videos need to be over 1 minute long, and you need to be in an eligible country, but those 3 things are actually not as hard to hit as you might think. You can buy the 10K follower account, and I've posted tons of 1-minute videos that have gotten over 1 million views, so it's definitely possible. Okay, but the next method is Facebook monetization, and most people don't even know that this is a thing at all. But I recently talked to someone who posts videos like this. I mean, these are just the stupidest videos on the internet. It's literally made to just waste people's time, but to bait them into watching the whole thing, which gets him more views and makes him more money. The way Facebook monetization works is there's ad revenue, and you get a portion of the ad revenue that is generated. And he, with literally no effort, just posts these types of stupid videos and gets millions of views on them. And he showed me he made $3,000 from posting videos that are so stupid like this every single month. This is way easier than a 9-to-5 job and still pays $3,000 a month. I mean, that is a decent side hustle online. Now, I'm still working on monetizing my own Facebook pages, but this guy taught me a lot and I'm gonna get it going soon. And once I get everything working, I'm gonna do a full breakdown on how to get monetized on Facebook and how to actually make money with it. Okay, and the last method is with the Snapchat Spotlights method. Now, a lot of people don't even realize this, but Snapchat Spotlights will pay you $1,000 a month for just hitting 10K views within a month. I cannot explain how easy this is. The only requirements that are at all hard is having 1,000 followers, having an account that's at least 1 month old, and then hitting 10,000 views in a month. I mean, that's not even that hard. But the way you can exploit the system here is by uploading videos of you just reacting to videos with a green screen. If you go to the Snapchat Spotlights tab, there are tons of people who are doing this. They're just uploading videos of their face reacting to an already viral video in the background. And these videos are getting millions of views easily. So all you have to do is the same thing. Anytime you see a viral video on TikTok or on the internet, just download it to your phone, re-upload it to Snapchat, reacting to it with your face, a little tiny thing on the screen, and then just upload it to Spotlights and watch the views come in. If you hit all the requirements at the end of the month, you'll make $1,000 per month, and that's not crazy, but it's pretty significant for how little work you're actually gonna be doing. I personally made $1,000 from this last month, and it was the easiest money I've ever made in my life. And I also have a full video breaking down exactly how to do that on Spotlights, which I'll also leave in the description. So that wraps it up for the 3 methods: the TikTok Creativity Fund, which is crazy, the Facebook monetization, and Snapchat Spotlights. If you have all 3 of these combined, I reckon that you could make easily between 5 and 10 grand a month without even really posting content of your own that's even original. I know people who are making $10,000 per month per platform on this. So if you perfected everything, this is potential to make 30K plus per month. So I hope that free advice beats what some of these scammy gurus are telling you on the internet. These are actual ways to make money. And if this helped you at all, I recommend you join my free newsletter, which I'll leave in the first link in the description. Trust me, there's a reason 2,000 people have already joined it. Thanks so much for watching, and follow or you might never see me again.